In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to live translated captions for Microsoft Teams. If you work with global teams or want to make meetings more accessible, live translated captions are a great way to help everyone follow along in real time, even if they're not speaking the meeting's primary language. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in. Make sure the app is up to date so you see the latest meeting controls. A quick update can prevent most issues with captions not appearing. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Meet. This takes you to the place where you manage and join meetings. From here, go ahead and join the meeting where you want to use captions. You can join a scheduled meeting from your list, or hop into the one that's already in progress for your team. Once you're inside the meeting, move your mouse to reveal the meeting toolbar. Click the three dots labeled More. This is where all the advanced meeting features live. In the menu that opens, choose Language and Speech. This section contains everything related to captions and spoken language settings. Now, click Show Live Captions. You'll see captions start appearing at the bottom of your screen as participants talk. If you don't see text right away, give it a moment and make sure your audio is connected. For best results, speak clearly, one person at a time, and use a good microphone. Try to reduce background noise and avoid talking over others, since captions improve dramatically when speakers take turns. If your organization has translation enabled, you can adjust language options in the same language and speech area. Set the spoken language to match the person talking and choose your preferred captions. Language to see translated text. This is especially helpful when multiple languages are used in a single meeting. Remember that automatic translation is powerful, but it's not perfect. Acronyms, names, or technical terms might need clarification aloud or in chat. A few quick tips to make captions shine. Pause briefly before you start speaking so the system can catch up. Look at the captions panel to confirm it's capturing your words, and keep your face close to the mic. If captions cover something on your screen, you can reposition your windows to keep everything visible. Finally, note that live captions are for real-time viewing. They aren't saved as a transcript unless your meeting policies and someone turns on transcription separately. And that's it. Open Teams, go to Meet, join your meeting, open More, choose Language and Speech, and turn on Show Live Captions to enable live translated captions.